If you're looking for the best way to keep your car spotless, high-performance car polishers are the perfect solution for removing scratches and stains, achieving a professional finish with ease. So, in today's video, we'll show you the 7 best car polishers available on the market and help you decide which one best suits your needs. If you're interested in checking the current prices of each car polisher, or if you want to purchase one, I'll leave the links in the video description and the first comment so you can check them out anytime. We begin with the AVID Power AEP 127 polisher, a high-performance tool designed to simplify polishing tasks on various surfaces. Equipped with a powerful 1,600-watt motor and 110-volt power supply, this device ensures efficient and long-lasting operation, perfect for demanding projects. This polisher features 7 variable speed settings, adjustable from 1,000 to 3,500 RPM, making it suitable for a wide range of materials and finishes. Its versatility shines with the inclusion of 6-inch and 7-inch discs, enabling precise results for every task. The ergonomic design offers 3 usage options, allowing direct handling or the use of D-shaped and side handles for enhanced comfort and control. Measuring 15.7 by 3.5 by 3.1 inches and weighing just 4.57 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, even during extended sessions. The package includes 7 specialized pads, catering to various needs: wool, orange and black for grinding, yellow and red for polishing, and green and blue for surface restoration. This makes the AEP 127 a comprehensive tool for everything from deep restoration to achieving a brilliant finish. If you're looking for a versatile, powerful, and user-friendly polisher, the AVID Power is the ideal choice. Its compact design and professional-grade performance make it a reliable companion for keeping your surfaces flawless. Next, we have the BATOCA 700W polisher, a top-notch orbital device featuring a 21mm random orbital action. This makes it perfect for polishing, removing swirls, scratches, and defects from painted surfaces, leaving your car looking as good as new. The random orbit ensures a smooth, streak-free finish, ideal for achieving professional-grade results. This polisher comes with a range of versatile accessories suitable for cars, boats, motorcycles, and even marble. Included are 6-inch polishing sponge pads, 6-inch wool pads, microfiber cloths, sandpaper, and a convenient storage bag to keep everything organized. With its 6-speed electronic dial, you can adjust the speed from 1,000 to 3,800 RPM, tailoring it to various tasks. Lower speeds are ideal for waxing and polishing, while higher speeds are perfect for removing paint defects and performing deep cleaning. The polisher's thoughtful design includes a lockable switch, allowing you to adjust the speed without pausing, which reduces fatigue during extended use. Built with user comfort in mind, it offers precise control, making it easier to handle a wide range of projects. If you're searching for a powerful, user-friendly orbital polisher, the BATOCA 700W combines innovative features with practical functionality, making it a reliable choice for achieving flawless results on any surface. Remember that all purchase links with the most up-to-date prices are available in the video's description and in the first comment. On the other hand, we present the LDHTHOPI polisher, a standout tool equipped with a powerful 1,600-watt pure copper motor. This rotary polisher delivers durable and reliable performance thanks to its integrated carbon brush structure, which extends its lifespan and minimizes common issues like malfunctions. Additionally, the heat-resistant copper wiring ensures consistent power and speed during extended use without overheating. The polisher features a 7-level variable speed control, allowing you to adjust the speed from 500 to 3,300 RPM depending on the material and task. Higher speeds work well for tough surfaces, while lower speeds are better suited for softer materials. This versatile device includes sandpaper, foam pads, and wool polishing pads, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, including polishing, sanding, and waxing. It's also effective on furniture, ceramics, wood, aluminum, steel, tiles, and plastic. For added convenience, the polisher includes a removable D-shaped handle and a side handle, providing flexibility during use. The lockable switch design maintains a steady speed, reducing fatigue. The comfortable front grip and curved handle enhance control, ensuring precision in every task. The package comes with 7 polishing pads in coarse, medium, and fine textures, perfect for restoring surfaces to their original shine. This polisher is an excellent choice for achieving professional results on various projects. We continue this list with the UAOAII polisher, a top-tier tool known for its enhanced performance and efficiency. Featuring a high-powered motor, it maintains a steady speed even under heavy use, ensuring flawless finishes every time. Its LCD screen allows precise speed adjustments to suit a variety of tasks. This polisher offers 6 adjustable speed levels, ranging from 2,000 to 4,500 RPM, and a memory function that remembers your last speed setting, saving you the hassle of reconfiguring it after each use. This ensures a smooth workflow and added convenience. The ergonomic handle is designed for a secure and comfortable grip, providing better control during extended polishing sessions. It comes with a comprehensive accessory kit, including Velcro back discs, sponge pads, and wool pads, delivering superior results and long-lasting performance. The polisher is powered by 2 rechargeable 12-volt batteries, offering up to 40 to 60 minutes of runtime after a quick 2-hour charge. Its advanced cooling system and overheat protection ensure efficient heat dissipation, enhancing its durability and reliability. For added safety, the polisher includes a quick-off switch, making it a secure choice for both beginners and professionals. With its exceptional features, the polisher is a reliable option for achieving a polished and professional finish across various surfaces. Next on the list is the ENEACRO polisher, a high-performance tool perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Its powerful 1,200-watt motor can reach speeds of up to 3,500 RPM while operating with minimal noise, making it a reliable choice for demanding tasks. The heat-resistant copper motor ensures extended use without damage, offering long-lasting durability. Weighing just 5.3 pounds, this polisher is designed to be lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry and store. Its variable speed dial offers 6 adjustable settings, ranging from 1,500 to 3,500 RPM, allowing users to tailor the speed to different tasks and materials for optimal results. The ENEACRO includes a comprehensive accessory kit, featuring sanding papers, fine and coarse sponge wheels, and a wool polishing disc. These accessories make it versatile enough to handle car polishing, scratch removal, and tasks on furniture, boats, wood, and metal surfaces. The thoughtful design incorporates 2 detachable handles for added comfort and a safety lock switch, ensuring steady operation at the desired speed. With its power, versatility, and ease of use, this polisher is a must-have for achieving professional quality finishes. If you're enjoying the video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content. Continuing, we have the BLACK&DECKER WP900 polisher, a tool built to deliver smooth, quick finishes with ease. Featuring random orbital action at 4,400 orbits per minute, it ensures a swirl-free result, making it perfect for polishing cars and boats alike. This model is designed with dual handles for enhanced comfort, significantly reducing fatigue during use. The 10-foot power cord offers excellent mobility, allowing you to tackle larger projects without being limited by cord length. The WP900 also includes a foam applicator, simplifying the application of wax or polish and making the entire process more efficient. With dimensions of 13.8 by 6.2 by 8.6 inches and weighing just 5 pounds, it is compact enough for easy maneuverability while remaining sturdy enough for demanding tasks. In summary, the BLACK&DECKER WP900 is an outstanding choice for those seeking effective, hassle-free polishing, offering features that guarantee a professional finish and a comfortable user experience. Finally, we present the GEVEELIFE polisher, a standout tool featuring a powerful 1,600-watt motor with pure copper wiring. Built for durability, it incorporates a carbon brush structure, ensuring safety and long-lasting performance. The integrated cooling system motor enables extended use without overheating, maintaining consistent power and speed for stable, polishing results. This polisher comes with a 7-speed variable control, allowing adjustments between 1,000 and 3,300 RPM to suit the task at hand. Lower speeds are perfect for waxing and buffing. Medium speeds work well for polishing and cleaning, and higher speeds efficiently tackle paint defects and oxidation. This versatility ensures you can achieve professional quality results effortlessly. Designed for both professionals and beginners, the polisher strikes the ideal balance between power and ease of use. It includes sanding paper, foam pads for waxing, and wool polishing pads, making it adaptable to a variety of tasks. With its compact and ergonomic design, this tool weighs just 4.4 pounds and comes equipped with a removable D handle and a side handle. The safety lock button allows you to maintain a steady speed, greatly reducing fatigue during extended use. The comfortable front grip and curved handle make for precise and controlled operation, ensuring a smooth polishing experience. Well, that's it for today. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect car polisher, or if there's another car polisher you'd like to see in our next top list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you want more info and the latest prices for each of the products, make sure to check out the links in the video description and the first comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.